Well, here's the day we've been waiting for. We're going to be pouring concrete today. Here's my slab for my barn, coming soon. Be 34 by 50. And it's ready for concrete. Well, we're not off to a good start. Here's my first load of concrete. Oh my God. Oh. All right, concrete is here. This is the second truck, although it's the first truck here. Like I said, the other one's in the ditch. Here comes the concrete. We're checking it now because this truck had to sit for a little while. Here we are a day later. Slab's all poured. This will be my first time walking on it. Dogs have walked on it a few times, but 34 by 50. Pretty soon the barn's going to be sitting on top of here. Actually, it's commercial steel building. But yeah, been waiting a while for this. It's finally done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up with the latest progress.